How to change your password on Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Twitter account password. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change your Twitter password, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your Twitter application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and once you're here, you want to select settings and support from the bottom. Once you're under settings and support, select settings and privacy. Here now, in order to change your password, all you have to do is simply tap on your account option, and you shall find the change your password option, the second option. As you can see, you can tap on it and go ahead and change your password. You want to enter in your current password and then your new password. If you don't remember your password, you can always use your forgot password option and reset your password. So this is how you can change your password on Twitter account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.